Alright, I'm just going to jump right on in here with the USB-C hub with dual in and triple display. Let's kind of just go over some of the parts in here. USB 2, 3.0, 3.0 USB, micro SD card, larger card there, RJ45 Ethernet jack, VGA display, that's the triple display. Because you have the HDMI 1, 2, VGA display, so this would be display number 3. USB 2, and what is this little guy down there? That is the PD 3.0. Maybe that's for a Mac thing, I'm not sure. 3.5 millimeter audio / mic. Oh, and the dual cable. So it appears that this is for a MacBook Pro Docking Station. And in here, so it says here's the resolution settings for Mac, sound settings. Oh, before I move on, this is a alloy multifunctioning USB-C Hub Adapter. It mainly extends the USB-C interface of the source device to HDMI, VGA, network, RJ45 interface, USB 3.0-A, USB 2.0, SD micro card reader, 3.5mm audio mic, USB-C charging port, USB-C charging port. Is that what that is? And it has a dual USB-C port, especially used for MacBook and achieve MacBook's multi-stream display. And then in the parentheses, extend 2 different screens on 2 external displays. There we have it. It says HDMI 1 is a 4K multiplied by 2K, 60 Hertz. I'll put all that in the description. It's actually in the PDF. I'm adding a PDF to this product to make sure so that you can review this before purchase, so you can make sure that this is for you and this is going to work for your system. Very limited. I think we have 6 of these. Graphic settings for Mac. It looks like you can clone a screen. This is the extended display, so this is your source. Screen 2. You can do 2 there, and screen 3. And then it says sound settings for Windows 10. It says Mac, Windows, system display settings. So Mac, Windows, system display settings, clone mode. So there's a clone mode. Clone mode. Here's your extended. See, in here it doesn't say anything about Apple. So this may be for Windows. But according to the literature, I believe it's for the docking station. Anyway, I'm going to put this PDF along with this unit. There's more information, more specs online. Check those out to make sure this is a good fit for you. Again, we only have 6 of these. And I hope this video helps. All right.